So the next self-defense move we're gonna do tonight off a thrust punch is called the arm sweep. Okay, so I'm in my fighting stance. He's gonna come at my chest with a thrust punch. I'm gonna fan block and move to the inside. I'm gonna grab here and pull across, and I'm gonna pull him in. From here, I'm gonna hit his lower back and bring this hand up, and I'm gonna put him in a choke. So from here, I'm gonna come here and lock this choke in here. Okay, we'll do it from the other side. We don't have to take him down on this choke. We can just do it a standing choke. So from here, I sidestep to the outside, block, grab. Wrestlers do this as an arm drag. I pull this across this way, get behind. From here, I'm gonna hit his lower back to get him to lean back. I'm gonna put this around his neck. Notice my right leg is in between his feet. Bring this arm over and lock this hand behind his head, and I can lean my head against my hand and just give a little squeeze, and he'll tap.